Good day everyone. Welcome to Azure Databricks Series. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of migrating your notebooks from one workspace to another. By the end of this video, you will be able to effortlessly move your notebooks between Databricks environments, ensuring smooth collaboration across teams. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Azure Databricks tips and tutorials. Let's get started. I'll be creating a new notebook on this particular workspace. So what I'll basically do is like I will copy the notebook that is present on this particular workspace and move it on to this workspace here. Yeah. So let's go to this workspace here. So this would be the notebook that I will be copying and moving it to this workspace here. Yep. So let's click on it here. So this is the notebook I'm interested, where I'll be copying this the content of this particular notebook, and I will create it as a file, and first I will export it as a file, and then I will import it as a file here. Yeah. So let's go to file and then click on export. So if you see here, we have this many options. I'm not going to use DBC archive source file. So we can use two things. Since it's a Python script, I'm going to save it as IPython notebook first. Yeah, so it is saved. And also what I'll do is like I will export it as an HTML file. What I'll do is like I will import these two files onto this workspace here. Yeah, and then I will show you the difference, and what we can do is like then we can decide which one to pick from there. Okay, so I have placed the two files that I just exported. This one is your IPython notebook file, and this is an HTML file. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the workspace here. Yeah, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click here and then click on import. Yeah, and I'm going to select import from file, and then go to the location where I have the files. Yeah, first I'm going to select the IPython notebook file. Yeah, and then let's click on import. So we have the file created here. Yeah, let's click on that. If you can see here, we are able to get the required file created here. Yeah, this is one way to get it. Then what you can do is like you can run it as per your requirements. Okay, and second way, what we can do is like let's go back to the workspace. Let's delete it, and then let's do the import one more time, but this time what I'll do is like I will select the HTML file, click on import, and then if you can see here, we are again able to import the file without any issues. It's a pretty simple task where you need to move a notebook from one workspace to another workspace. Yeah, let's go back to the workspace, and you can delete it. This way you will be able to move the required notebooks from one workspace to another workspace without much of an issue. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.